Hello friends, in this video we will do a very small example that will demonstrate the use of the model view that is available in the Power BI. Those of you who have used MS Access, they will find this model view similar to MS Access view of the table schema. And for this I will be using two small files. The first file is the family.csv, and in this file I have the roll numbers of the students and the father's name of the students. I have used T1, T2, T3 for ease, and the roll numbers are 1 to 3, 1 to 4 and 1 to 5. And then in the second file, which is marks.csv, I have stored the roll numbers along with the name, class and marks in 3 subjects and total marks of the student. So this data we will load into the Power BI, and then we will perform some kind of an analysis in Power BI. So let us load the data. So first I will select the blank report. If you do not know the interface of the Power BI, you can refer to my previous video in which I have discussed the interface of the Power BI. So in this I will select the blank report, then import the data from Excel. So in this it will give me the option. The box will appear using which I can bring the files into the Excel. Power BI is relatively little bit slow, so it will take time to open the option. So it is opened. So it is on the desktop. So I will select all files, and in this I have the file family.csv. So I say open. So this file will get uploaded. It will ask me whether I want to load the data or transform it. So you can apply any kind of transformation or load the data as is. So it is showing that this is the data, these are the roll numbers and father's name that are there in the file. So I say load. Now I will import another file here. Let us wait for it to do the loadings. So it is saying that it is evaluating, and it will take some time. So 3 rows are loaded. I have used a small example so that it is clear, and you can perform the same analysis on a larger data set using the same steps. Then let us get data from another source, which is the marks of the students. That is not imported. So again I select all files. So it will show me the CSV files. So I select marks.csv and I open the file. Again it will give the option for transformation and loading. So I will select load. So it is showing the records of the 3 students. So I click on load. So the data is loaded. So when you look at the model view, you can see here that it is showing the 2 tables that were there, marks table and family table, and it has automatically developed a one-to-one relation between the roll number in family and the roll number in marks. I don't even need to specify because the column names are same, so it is able to link them automatically. And when you look at the data view, the model is appearing like this, what kind of relationships have been established. And when I click on the tables, it will show me family with both the fields, and the marks with all of the fields that are there in the marks. Now if I select the visual view, and here I select new visual, so I can create suppose I want to create a chart in which marks of the 3 subjects are shown and the father's name of the student is shown, that the name of the student, instead of name of the student, name of the father is shown, and the marks in the 3 subjects are shown. So I select father's name from the family, then I select marks 1, then I select marks 2, and I select marks 3. So all of them are getting displayed. So I select the column clustered chart. So it is showing when I enlarge this chart, So we can see here sum of M1, sum of M2, sum of M3. So T3, the student has scored these many marks, then father's T2's child has scored these many marks, and T1's child has scored these many marks out of 20 in each of the subjects. So this way I can link two tables and I can make chart in which one field is from a different table and all other fields are from different tables. So I hope this video is useful to you and you can develop more projects using this simple example. And thank you very much for watching. And if you like the channel, subscribe to it, recommend to your friends, share the link on other social media platforms. Thank you so much.